Well, to get started on IV fluid stewardship, I think one of the things is to become aware of your environment and find other interested individuals that would consider it something that needs to be evaluated and taken a look at. I think as part of our practice in pharmacy, we do a variety of medication use evaluations, and oftentimes we focus on therapeutic drugs, if you will. But I think we should also take a look at some of our use of IV fluids and really study that use and look for appropriate prescribing and administration of those agents in our environments. So I think, once again, the ICU might be a place to first look, but I think there are other areas for looking and evaluating IV utilization that could be investigated by health system pharmacists.